Jumu'ah is not practical. I have to leave school or I have to leave work, and it's a huge inconvenience. And I want you to know that that is a major transgression. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us a chapter in the Qur'an titled Surah Al-Jumu'ah. And in it, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, idha nudiya lis-salati min yawm al-jumu'ah. O you who are true believers, if you are true believers, when the call is proclaimed, when the time is known for the time of prayer, fas'aw ila dhikrillah. Run to the remembrance of Allah. وَذَرُوا الْبَيْعَ. Leave off all trade and commerce and distractions that keeping you away from your prayer. ذَلِكُمْ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ. That is what is better for you. That is what is better for your income. That is what is better for your education. In kuntum ta'lamun. If you actually truly knew. If you really thought. If you really wanted success. فَإِذَا قُضِيَتِ الصَّلَاةُ فَانْتَشِرُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ. When prayers are finished, rush back into the earth. وَابْتَغُوا مِنْ فَضْلِ اللَّهِ. And seek the bounties of Allah. Work hard and do your studies and assignments and whatever it is. Make it up. I want you to have the mindset that Allah is first, that Jumu'ah is first, that I schedule my life around it. The Prophet ﷺ said, مَنْ تَرَكَ ثَلَاثَ جُمُعَاتٍ بِلَا عُذْرٍ. The one who misses 3 consecutive Jumu'ah prayers without valid reason, طَبَعَ اللَّهُ عَلَى قَلْبِهِ. Allah stamps their heart, seals their heart, meaning the light of faith is not able to enter it, meaning the sin of missing the Friday prayer covers the heart that hidayah does not penetrate it. Be very careful from belittling the greatest act of congregational prayer in the week. The whole day of Jumu'ah is called Jumu'ah because we come together in prayer. It's the day that we refer to as Friday is not Friday, it's referred to as the day of congregational prayer. That's how important it is for us as a culture, and you are probably empowered by the law as a part of your religious observance. You can get a letter from people, and I'm happy to write a letter for you to substantiate why your religious worship of Jumu'ah should be honored and met by those who are empowered to make those decisions with you, not just for you, with you, in consultation with you. Be brave, be strong, hold the truth, and move forward to that which is pleasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Do not limit the blessing in your life by eliminating Jumu'ah until it becomes more convenient. Perhaps that may never happen and you miss out so much on blessing and barakah of the congregational prayer. وصلى اللهم وسلم وزد وبارك على سيدنا محمد.